been searching in the silence of the night, looking for a spark, a flicker of a light. Heard a million voices say they know the truth, but every road I take just leads me back to you. Is it just a feeling or something more? A hidden key behind a broken door. What is love? Is it fire in the rain? Is it joy or is it pain? Is it holding on or letting go? Tell me something I don't know. What is love when words don't say enough? Is it soft or is it rough? In the end, when push comes to shove, tell me, what is love? Is it in the way you say my name so slow, or the way you stay when I'm losing hope? Is it just a moment or a lifetime vow? Is it then or there, or only now? Is it blind or does it clearly see? Is it you or something inside of me? What is love? Is it fire in the rain? Is it joy or is it pain? Is it holding on or letting go? Tell me something I don't know. What is love when words don't say enough? Is it soft or is it rough? In the end, when push comes to shove, tell me, what is love? Maybe love is every broken piece, finding hope and finally feeling peace. Maybe love is learning how to stay, even when you're one step from walking away. What is love? Is it fire in the rain? Is it joy or is it pain? Is it holding on or letting go? Tell me something I don't know. What is love when words don't say enough? Is it soft or is it rough? In the end, when push comes to shove, tell me, what is love? What is love? If I find the answer up above, I'll still be asking, what is love?